We've got less than a minute, Dr. Tedros, but I couldn't have you on the stage without asking you that question, and you're going to not thank me for asking you in a short time to answer an impossible question. Do we have the capability to ensure that we don't see another pandemic, the like of which we saw while you were leading the World Health Organization?
Yeah.
The World Health Organization.
Yeah. I think the answer to that is we're unprepared and we're still vulnerable to the same problem. But the good news is, based on the lessons learned, we're building something. For instance, we're trying to address the surveillance by building a collaborative intelligence and a mechanism to share pathogens so that can be used for research and development. And for countries who have potential, they're moving into production of the tools to address the equity problems. And there is a pandemic fund now created. The World Bank is running it, and WHO is part of the Secretariat. And there are many other initiatives that have started. This is really important. But the key is, how can we have a binding pandemic agreement that member states would respect? So if anything happens, first of all, the best is to prevent it, and that's why we're building capacity. But we need to have a binding agreement in order to prevent or to early detect and respond in a better way.
And that's what you're hoping for this year?
Exactly.
That's what you're hoping to see this year?
As we speak, member states are now negotiating.
Yes.
And I have been following the negotiation, and I'm hopeful that by May 2024 there will be a deal. And that will help us to prepare better and prevent the same thing with COVID, like COVID, from happening. But one thing I'd like to underline is, there was a question, 30 seconds. There is a question that's asked many times, who has done well during this pandemic? Maybe as a group, the Mekong region did better. And the reason for that is they had muscle memory from 2003 SARS. Now, I think the whole world has the muscle memory, and hope they will use all their experience to prepare, especially the preparation and capacity at country level is the most important, to prepare and prevent the same thing from happening in the future, because the whole world has a muscle memory now.